Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to plan your day effectively in 2025. So in this step 1, you need to simply pick your top 3 priorities. So you need to take 1 minute to list everything on your mind, and then you need to circle 3 must do's for today. For this purpose, you can also seek help from canva.com when you create your free account over here. And when you search for day planner, you are going to see a bunch of different day planner templates. So I really like this one. It has a 15-day challenge. So if you are interested in it, you can just simply download this template and start using it. Over here, you need to, as I've told you earlier, add 3 must to do's for today. Then you need to open your calendar and block the realistic slots for each top 3. You need to add the buffers like 10 to 15 minutes between the blocks. Afterwards, you need to create a 30 to 45-minute admin block for quick items so that they don't interrupt the deep work. When a deep work blocks the starts, you need to turn on the do not disturb on your phone, close any kind of extra tabs, and use a 25 to 5 focus cycle in which you are going to basically spend 25 minutes on the work and 5 minutes in break. So if the task is bigger than 1 hour, you can split it into 2 focused blocks. Then you can spend your 5 minutes to check what is being done, what's rolling to tomorrow, and move any of the unfinished tasks to the next available block. And you can keep only 3 priorities again. So this keeps your system very light and stress free. And with the help of this method, I can say that you can definitely plan your day effectively in 2025. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more productivity guides, and comment below if you have any questions about it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.